This is Amy Honick, and I will be doing my math project on how to create an Etch-A-Sketch Ellipse. Um, so, for my definition of an ellipse, I am going to um, use the, I guess, the second one kind of in this series. So, an ellipse definition is an ellipse is traced by a point moving in a plane. So the sum of the distances from two other points or foci are constant. So um, I guess what I did was create kind of a visual of an Etch-A-Sketch ellipse by first looking at this Euclidean definition of an ellipse. so yeah, like I said, an ellipse needs two foci or foci, whichever pronunciation you prefer, and then I included I guess all the other points that would be in a regular Euclidean ellipse, and my V1, V2, my D1 and D2, um, and then I just because it is Etch-A-Sketch, I guess like what we learned with a circle is that in order to get the area of a circle, you go from the center point to the outside point, and then to go right to left and count that distance, and then go up and down vertically and count that distance, and then totally. So I guess this would be a pretty good example right here. You get your distance. So and then that's why I included the rise, and the run of my ellipse. And then so in a circle, we learned that the reason why this is kind of more of a diamond shape because it's on its side, but the reason a circle is, I guess, squarish, or I guess in this case kind of diamond shaped, is because a circle's definition is that you must that all points from the center to the outside must be these points on the outside must be equidistant to the center from any point on the outside. So because an ellipse has two sides, two opposite sides, I should say, that are equal to one another, unlike a circle where all sides are equal to one another, each side, so these sides both need to be equidistant to the center, which in this case is 0, 0, but you don't always have that in Etch-A-Sketch. And then these sides, the longer sides, also need to be equidistant from the center, or from the center to the outside point. And then I also included various types of ellipses, or don't know, is it ellipsi? Is the plural form. So I included one that is vertical, and one that is more diagonal. And as you can see, both are more of a rectangle shape, to to keep constant with the idea that all points along this side and all points along this side need to be equidistant to the center. All points along this side and all points along this side also need to be equidistant to the center. But obviously, these opposite sides are the same, but they're different from these opposite sides, which is different from a circle, but good for an ellipse. So yeah, I think it's a little bit better, and please let me know if there's anything else that I need to correct. And yeah, have a good day.